Is your Payoneer account unexpectedly blocked, leaving you unable to access your funds or make payments? Don't panic. This video will guide you through the essential steps to unblock your Payoneer account and regain access quickly. First, head over to the official Payoneer website. You'll need to navigate to their support or contact section. Look for options like Help, Contact Us, or Support Center, usually found at the bottom of the page or in the main menu. Once you've found the support area, you'll typically have several ways to reach out. The most common methods are through their online contact form, email, or sometimes a phone number. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. When contacting them, be prepared to provide accurate information to verify your identity. This usually includes your full name as registered with Payoneer, your email address associated with the account, and your Payoneer account ID or username if you have it readily available. Clearly and concisely explain the situation that your account has been blocked. If you have any idea why, such as a recent transaction or a policy you might have inadvertently violated, mention that. The more information you provide, the faster they can assist. Payoneer may require you to submit verification documents to confirm your identity and resolve the security concern. This could include a copy of your government's ID, passport, or proof of address. Follow their specific instructions carefully for document submission. After submitting the necessary information and documents, be patient. Payoneer support will review your case, and you'll receive a notification regarding the resolution. Once approved, your account will be unblocked, and you can resume using Payoneer services. Remember, understanding these steps is key to restoring your access swiftly. For more tips on managing your Payoneer account, be sure to subscribe.